everyone, welcome back to Shamish Learning. I'm Zabaish Abdi and today I'm going to show you how to draft a high relaxed cowl pattern. If you are new to pattern drafting, don't worry. I have simplified the steps to make it easy to follow. Before we start, if you have not learned how to draft a basic bodice block, don't forget to check the link in the description. It will help you understand today's tutorial better. Let's start by using your basic back bodice block. Here I have traced my back bodice block on a paper pattern. Then I will extend 1 inch at the central back. Now I will mark 3/4 inch at the shoulder seam. Then smoothly connect this point with a curve to create the new neckline shape. Once done with the marking, cut out the back pattern and keep it aside. Now let's work on the front bodice block. Start by closing the shoulder dart on your front block. Next, cut along the line from the burst line to the burst point, which is the starting point of the dart. From the neckline point near the shoulder, measure 3/4 inch outward and label it as point A. Again from point A, measure another 3/4 inch outward and label it as point B. Now draw slant lines from point A and B to meet the neckline depth. Take a fresh paper pattern to spread the cowl and measure 2.5 inches from the top edge of the paper and mark it. This will become the folding area during the final cutting process. Draw a guideline on one side of the paper to help you place the front block straight. Carefully cut the slant lines from point A and point B on the front block. Spread these lines on the pattern paper as shown in the video. The amount of spread determines the depth of the cowl. Once the lines are spread evenly, trace the pattern onto the paper. I have marked my dart too, but there is no need to trace the dart for the cowl pattern. Fold the 2.5-inch marked area on the paper pattern as shown. Cut the pattern along the traced line, ensuring the fold is in place to achieve the proper cowl shape. And that's how you drafted the high relaxed cowl pattern. If this process helped you, please like, share and subscribe to Shamish Learning for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.